Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making a balsamic and herb vinaigrette. This is a wonderful vinaigrette to really lighten up or to brighten up a salad. We're using a lot of fresh herbs and it's really simple to make. So now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need half a cup of balsamic vinegar. I recommend using a good kind. Half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of fresh dill and oregano, and also thyme, 1 clove of garlic peeled, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of mustard, that's going to be our emulsifier, and 1.5 cups of olive oil. Now we're going to take all of our ingredients, other than our oil, and add it right into our blender. We're going to mix this up for a few minutes until everything is completely dissolved and broken up. Now once it starts looking like that, we're gonna slowly drizzle in our olive oil as we process it as well. And literally a few seconds, you have a beautiful balsamic vinaigrette. Now I'm gonna place it into my serving craft and set it onto the table right next to the salad. All right, let's get a taste. Pour myself some. Oh, that's good. Woo. You can really taste the balsamic, but it's not overpowering. The honey has a nice touch of sweetness and the herbs just round it all out and bring it together. Now you can put this in an airtight container and it'll last up in your fridge for about 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well. I'll drop a link in the description. And if you'd wish to support the channel, you can head on over to our Patreon account and I'll put a link for that as well in the description. We'll see you in the next one.